Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Mailchimp audience sync with HubSpot CRM step by step clearly. Open your HubSpot CRM account and log in. Navigate to the integrations section in the settings menu. Search for Mailchimp in the available integrations. Select the Mailchimp integration from the list. Click on the option to connect your Mailchimp account. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and log in. Grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your Mailchimp account. Once connected, return to HubSpot and look for the audience sync settings. Select the specific Mailchimp audience you wish to sync with HubSpot. Customize the sync settings according to your needs. Choose if you want to sync contacts, leads, or both. Set the criteria for which contacts should be included in the sync. Review the mapping between Mailchimp fields and HubSpot properties. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure alignment between platforms. Confirm the synchronization settings you've configured. Initiate the first sync to establish a connection between the two platforms. Monitor the sync process for any errors or issues. Once completed, check both HubSpot and Mailchimp to verify the data integrity. Continue to periodically review the sync settings to ensure ongoing accuracy. Adjust your sync settings as needed based on changes in your audience or marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.